Hello, beautiful women. This is Emmy of Eloquently Emmy, and today we're just going to do I'm going to finish off my Saint in Segments series, and I'm just going to cut to the part where I do the bronzer. This one is going to be Saint in Segments on bronzer, and you can just see how I do it. I actually apply it 2 different times in the application, and so I'll kind of cut in and cut out so you can see just where I am in the process, and you can see the total look. I know bronzer can be very intimidating. It's very dark. A lot of people just like don't know what to do with it. I will say a light hand is the ticket. Yeah, keep a light hand and blend. And the Bella bronzer is so lovely to go with a tan. Of course, I have a faux tan. I went to the Organic Bronze Bar and had it done. And one of my other videos, there's a funny story about that. But anyway, yeah, so this, I'll just show you how I do my bronzer and how I get that glow and that sun-kissed look and that kind of lit from within look, and blending it with the rose gold illuminator. That's what I've got on here. This is, you know, helps me with the final look. And I love this look. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so in this portion where we're going to do our face, we are going to use bronzer. And I'm going to show you how I do it, which may be a little different to how other people do it, but it's just what works for me, and it's just the way I like it. So, but the Bella bronzer is lovely when you have a tan, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going on the face. Let me just tell you what I did. I did my regular skincare. Of course, I didn't bring my, and my sunscreen, which is the Supergoop Glow Screen. I didn't bring it up with me again, but it is what it is. So you've seen it a lot. Sunscreen is so important. Don't ever skip that step. You'll thank me later when you're my age, which is 55. I'm just gonna flip my triple decker over to, I call it my bronze and bright side. And I'm gonna take this extra blush and bronzer brush that I have, and I'm gonna lightly dip into the Bella. And I'm gonna just put this where the sun would naturally hit my face. And I'm gonna go lightly because I'm gonna blend it. Some people are a little afraid of this, and I was one of them. Okay, but I'm just kind of hitting like the cheek area, like where it pops up a little bit. I mean, I don't want to take away from that triangle I created. So, and then I'm also going to do on my forehead a little. Okay, so it naturally kind of hit right there, and a little across my nose. Okay, so I'm just squeezing it a little there. Okay, and I will go over with my contour and my brightener again, and a little on my chin, and I will definitely brighten that again. But it just kind of gives you that whole initial warmth. Now you can go in afterwards and put more in, but and that's the way a lot of people do it. But I just like doing it this way. I feel when I take a close look at my skin and I look at the images of my skin afterwards that before and after, I tried it both ways. I like this technique for myself. So I'm gonna blend. All right, so that's what we're looking like with our base highlights on and a little bit of Bella, and I'm liking that a lot. Okay, and at this point, I'm gonna come back in with a little more bronzer because, you know, this is for our Saint in Segments bronzer video, and then I'll come back in with the total look. But yeah, let me just flip out to my bronzy side and just dip in a little bit, and then just to bring a little more in on the cheeks. Okay. And that's about it. I kind of did everything else the way I want it. So I am just going to quickly blend that. and then I'll come back with a finished look. But look at that bronzy glow. I love that. All right, and then you'll see me with the highlighter and everything complete. Okay, so I hope you like this Saint and Segment tutorial on bronzer, and I hope you found it helpful, and you've learned some different techniques for how to apply bronzer, especially if you're a bit lighter than me. But you know, I've got my faux tan now, and I was a little scared and intimidated by the bronzer looking so dark, but I mean, take a close look. I really like it. I mean, I feel like I've got that golden kind of glow going on, and I'm really loving it. So yeah, so get out there and try it. And if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to contact me, and I'm more than happy to help you. And also, don't forget, if you would like a color match, just click the link below. I would love to be your artist, and I'd love to be there for you and give you a color match and give you the best colors for your own unique, beautiful skin. Okay? And also, if you like content like this, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And yes, it was such a pleasure doing this video for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And always remember to wear your sunscreen and to live life passionately.